Welcome to Taiwan community. The following is a tutorial on how to transfer through OKX. Step 1. Open your OKX app. Click Access as shown. Step 2. Click Withdraw. Step 3. Select a type of crypto you want to transfer. Here we take USDT as an example. Step 4. Select Internal. Step 5. Enter the required information as shown to complete the transfer. 1. Select Recipient. You may enter the recipient's phone number, email, sub-account, and UID. 2. Enter your phone number. 3. Choose your withdrawal amount. 4. Select your withdrawal account. 5. Click Submit. Step 6. Obtain and enter the relevant password or verification code as required. Click Confirm again to complete the operation. This is Taiwan Blockchain Community. Welcome to subscribe and join us.